Hey everybody, Warren here. Welcome back to another video, and in this one today we are back onto WarriorCraft and we are on top of the tower right now. And well, what we're going to do in this episode is, well, we are going to plan ahead. What do I mean by plan ahead? I mean that, well, we need stuff like an XP grinder for repairing our tools, and for that we need to drain an ocean monument. And as you know, in the north direction, actually a little bit to the west, we have an ocean monument right here, and we are going to convert that into an XP grinder. And what do we need for that? We need a lot of sand. We need to clear out a desert. And for the desert, we have the stuff that we need to do that. Mining a desert. But what we do not have is a beacon, which we need for haste. Am I right, guys? So in this episode, we're going to be getting some beacons. 6, to be honest. 6 beacons. So let's get started right after the intro. That was the longest intro I have ever created for a Minecraft video, but you know, that's alright. What we need to do is we need to get a beacon. And what do we need to get a beacon? Some of the wither skeleton skulls. So we're gonna really quickly go ahead and get some wither skeleton skulls from the nether, of course. Alright, so now we have all of the stuff that we need. So now it is safe to go to the nether. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the nether fortress that we found in episode number, I forget. Alright, so we have a fortress right here and I see wither skeletons. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and kill these wither skeletons. We did not last. we did not last even a second against those wither skeletons, dude. That was so underprepared. Alright guys, just as the sun is setting, we have in our inventory this much junk and 18 wither skeleton skulls. We accomplished our goal after killing 44 wither skeletons. Damn. Alright, we need even more soul sand. So let's just go ahead and get some soul sand, shall we? Alright, we have got what we needed, and we are going to return. Alright, now I think we should fight the wither. Alright, so I have dug a big tunnel right here, and now I think we are ready to spawn the wither. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to do this. And then, okay. Let's get that back. And this, damn it, why can't I place this stuff properly? Alright, this, and well, now we need to go back because I am not fully prepared. Why? I don't need this stuff, I don't need all of this stuff, and I need a blast protection chest plate, so we need to go back. Alright, we have the skull, and let's do this. I didn't bring any potions as pixel rips. No, that's okay, I think. The weather effect is killing me. We killed it. We killed the wither. Damn, that was easy. I thought it would be hard because I didn't bring any potions with me. But it was easy. It was easy. How was it easy? Yeah, I thought it was going to be... Because I thought I was underprepared. I wasn't underprepared. And we have another star now. Which is absolutely amazing to me. Like, we have another star now. We can make a beacon now. But now, I'm going to show you the easy way to fight a wither. So what we need to do is, we need to go to the end. And now we need to dig under this bedrock. Right here. Just like so. Like so, and this should be 0, 0. Yep, here's 0, 0 for you. And we need to be over here. And now what we need to do is we need to dig down one more block. I'm copying this straight from Pixel Riff's video. And yeah, this is the easy way. So you go into 0, 0. But there's a negative 0. How is there a negative 0? How can there be a negative 0? Okay, anyways. You need obsidian. And you need to place it like this. Like how, you ask? Like this. So it's in a T shape, but it's like this. And now we need to place soul sand and we need to activate the wither. And there it is. It is now trapped. And now we can literally just hit it without it being able to do anything. Like so. Look at this. This is so easy. Am I right? It's called wither farming. And there we go. We got another nether star. And now I'm just gonna repeat this process over and over. We are done. Now we can just go back through the portal, like so, and we are done. And we can sleep through the night, and we can enjoy our 6 nether stars. 6! Mind you guys, 6 of them. This is absolutely hilarious how easy it is to get these many nether stars once you got the wither skulls. The wither skulls is the hard part. Now it's very easy to get beacons, and yeah, it's just too easy now. Just yeah, you can just collect all of this. And we can get our shield off from us. And we can unpack like so. And I think we are ready to make some more beacons. And we have got ourselves beacons. Look at this, 6 beacons, and we have not got any advancement. Why do we not get an advancement? Isn't there an advancement for like Beaconator or something? Let me just check. Beaconator. And we have an advancement. Bring home the beacon. Now I seriously don't want any of this grass to turn into dirt. One did, but that's okay. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make an iron farm. Iron farm. Because we need iron for this beacon. But I think that this episode is getting pretty long already. So, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you really loved it, then make sure to subscribe. But thanks for watching, guys. This has been Varun. Now I'm out. I'll see you later. Goodbye.